Hello YouTube, this is Trainboy90 Productions here. Today we'll be unboxing the 2022 wooden railway Toby the Tram engine. And I got him pretty recently from Barnes & Noble. Of course, he's a great looking engine. We're going to take a look at his box. You can see here's Toby right over here. Right in front of the box, right here, a little promo to show his model. Here's the side of the box, the back of the box, the underside of the box, and what's really cool, slide it out and you can have a look at the model of Toby right over here. And we'll take a look at him. We'll take a look at him in full when we unbox this engine. So, further ado, we're gonna take Toby out of the box and have a look at his model. My usual unboxing tool is my handy dandy hobby knife. As you may not know, or you may already know, this video is meant for general audiences. So further ado, we're going to open Toby and take him out of the box. Open up these flaps right here, push them out. And we got a pamphlet in here. Ooh. Got the pamphlet over here. Of course, we have in this pamphlet Thomas and Percy, who were the first two I bought. Rebecca, who I plan on purchasing sometime soon. Emily. Gordon, who I previously did an unboxing video of. I haven't gotten Emily yet, though. Kenji, who I plan on getting sometime soon. Troublesome Truck and Paint. Rosie, who I previously did an unboxing of. Henry. James. Hero, Toby, who you're seeing right now. Diesel. Kevin, who I ended up getting a couple days after Toby, and who I will be doing an unboxing video of next. Mia, we have not yet gotten. And of course Edward, who of course I unboxed the last time. If you want to check the unboxing video of Edward, it's in the description, and I hope you enjoy. So, we're going to put the pamphlet away and finish unboxing Toby, the tram engine. Of course Toby, will have to get something. Remove the tape. And finally, we got Toby out of his box, but, oh wow, got a little bit of a rubber band on the left here. Here's Toby's model. We're going to clean all this up, and we're going to take a look at Toby's model. Now we got everything out of the way, we're going to take a look at Toby's model. So, take a look at Toby. So, here's his face, of course. Shows like some sort of shocked expression. No, it's probably him being worried, actually. His side plates are overly oversized. Here's the back of Toby. Right over here you can see the lamp. And on the roof we have his funnel, his bell, of his other detailing. Very detailed roof. And on the side is the number 7. Here's the windows. And his railing. The wheels are actually different on Toby than the other ones. Pretty interesting. Underside of Toby, you can see his name. The cloud that represents the Thomas and Friends logo. The item number and serial number. Very surprising, Toby has different wheels from the other engines. And we'll end the video right here. That is 2022 wooden railway Toby. Well, actually, Toby's side plates are made out of plastic. Of course, the only thing that's wood is the top part right here, except for his face. Mostly plastic. But he does have one part that is actually wood. But we'll end it right here. So, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, I highly recommend you all checking out my other unboxing videos. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all next time. And of course, goodbye.